Does the full LTX 2.5 dev model justify 40 sampling steps, or is the 8-step distilled model the practical choice? This test compares two complete image-to-video production paths across 3 controlled scenes. This is not a pure step count benchmark. The distilled path uses the FP8E4M3FN transformer, its fixed 8 sigma schedule, and CFG1. The full dev path uses the W4A8 ConvRot transformer, a normal 40-step schedule, and CFG 3.5. Reference image, prompt, seed, text encoder, conditioning strength, resolution, frame count, decoder, and adapter state remain fixed. The 3 scenes stress rigid machinery and hand contact, wet street movement and reflections, and fingers with topographic map lines and folds. Cache state mattered dramatically. The first distilled cold run took 983 seconds. After the model was resident, the comparable warm distilled run took 73.4 seconds. The warm dev run took 289.1 seconds. On this machine, the dev production path was 3.94 times slower. These values describe the complete local paths, not raw checkpoint speed. Visually, the full dev path was not a consistent winner. It often held the starting composition and pose more steadily. The distilled path produced larger arm and pose changes in several clips, which sometimes looked like more action but also increased drift. In the machinery scene, neither path completed the requested antenna manipulation cleanly. Dev remained closer to the initial seated layout, while distilled moved the arms more aggressively. In the wet street scene, neither path produced the requested cyclist crossing the road. Both stayed inside the vehicle reference. Their reflections and camera motion differed, but the core action failed in both versions. The map scene tells the same story. Dev preserved the character and tabletop arrangement more tightly. Distilled changed the hand pose and map presentation more. Neither reliably completed the full unfold, trace, and lift sequence. The conclusion from these 3 tests is narrow but useful. 40-step full dev did not provide a repeatable quality advantage large enough to offset nearly 4 times the warm runtime. Choose dev when a more conservative attachment to the starting composition is specifically valuable. For iteration and most practical image-to-video work, the 8-step distilled path was much faster and not consistently worse. In either case, complex multi-action prompts still require full motion review, because more steps did not guarantee action completion.